Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: active grille shutters, body color door handles, front license plate bracket. Inside you'll find trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.